Yep. Hello. Good day from wherever you are. Yo, welcome to the podcast Health is Wealth, and it's your host, Pharmacist Victor. Today we're going to talk about the use of traditional and natural remedies, as an alternative to Western medicine. We're going to compare the cost effectiveness, we're going to compare the uses, we're going to go through a lot concerning this. And with me, I have Dr. Green, very renowned AI. Nice to have you here, Dr. Green.
Hi Victor, thanks for having me in your podcast. Certainly. Natural remedies for home and body often outshine orthodox medications in various ways, and we'll dive deeper into these insights with educational content and real-world examples on our podcast. Certainly. Here are some specific examples of how natural remedies can be both better and cheaper than orthodox medications. 1. Herbal tea versus over-the-counter pain relievers. Example, instead of reaching for a bottle of over-the-counter pain relievers for a headache, listeners can learn how to brew a soothing herbal tea using ingredients like chamomile, peppermint, or ginger. These herbs have natural analgesic properties that can help alleviate headaches without the potential side effects of conventional medications. 2. Apple cider vinegar for digestive health versus antacids. Example, rather than relying on antacids to relieve occasional heartburn or indigestion, listeners can discover the benefits of apple cider vinegar, ACV. Diluted ACV can help balance stomach acidity and promote healthy digestion, offering a natural alternative that is both effective and cost-effective. 3. Essential oils for stress relief versus prescription medications. Example, instead of turning to prescription medications for stress and anxiety management, listeners can explore the calming properties of essential oils like lavender, bergamot, or frankincense. Diffusing these oils or using them in aromatherapy can provide relaxation and emotional support without the potential side effects of pharmaceutical drugs. 4. DIY natural cleaning solutions versus commercial cleaners. Example, rather than purchasing expensive commercial cleaners loaded with harsh chemicals, listeners can learn how to create their own.
Okay, that was very informative. Thank you very much. Very informative lecture. Now I want to talk about and inform our listeners, empower listeners to make informed choices on how to embrace natural remedies as a cost-effective, safe, and sustainable approach to health and wellness. So let's look at some examples of natural remedies, and I compare them when it comes to cost effectiveness relative to the orthodox medications. Uh, let me open the floor for you, Mr. Green.
Natural cleaning solutions using ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and citrus essential oils. Not only are these homemade cleaners safer for the environment and household health, but they are also much cheaper to make. Turmeric for joint pain relief versus nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. Example, instead of relying solely on NSAIDs like ibuprofen for joint pain relief, listeners can discover the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to reduce inflammation and alleviate joint pain. Incorporating turmeric into daily meals or taking supplements can offer a natural and budget-friendly alternative for managing chronic pain. Eucalyptus steam inhalation for congestion versus decongestant medications. Example, rather than purchasing over-the-counter decongestant medications for nasal congestion, listeners can try eucalyptus steam inhalation. Adding a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil to hot water and inhaling the steam can help clear nasal passages and relieve congestion naturally, without the risk of dependency or rebound congestion associated with decongestant drugs. Oatmeal bath for eczema relief versus prescription creams. Example, instead of relying solely on prescription creams and ointments for eczema relief, listeners can explore the soothing properties of oatmeal baths. Colloidal oatmeal can help relieve itching, reduce inflammation, and moisturize the skin, providing relief for eczema symptoms at a fraction of the cost of prescription medications. Probiotic-rich foods for gut health versus probiotic supplements. Example, rather than purchasing expensive probiotic supplements, listeners can incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kombucha into their diet. These natural sources of beneficial bacteria support digestive health, strengthen the immune system, and promote overall well-being without the added cost of supplements.
Okay, thank you. These examples illustrate how natural remedies can offer effective solutions for common health and household issues at a fraction of costs of orthodox medications and commercial products that they are being sold in rare. So I beg another thing is with our podcast now, listeners can explore all these alternatives, Mr. Green, and make informed